And a good evening to you on this Thursday. I'm Kyle Linsky.
And I'm Paula Toti. There are major developments tonight, months after an officer-involved shooting.
A Highland County deputy now facing criminal charges in the fatal shooting that happened last July. Now, he was expected to enter a plea deal this afternoon, but as Local 12's Marilla Porter shows us, that didn't happen.
Today was the first time we learned that deputy's name. Jonathan Dustin Malone pleaded not guilty to reckless homicide in the death of Richard Gene Poulin after Malone's attorney says a negotiation with the state fell through. Attorney Josh Engel says this was a tragic accident and the deputy did not intend to shoot the suspect. Fellow deputies showed up to support Malone in court today. People close to the suspect were also there. The shooting happened on July 17th. 58-year-old Poulin had run a stop sign, leading Highland County deputies on a chase. The pursuit ended on US 62 near Irvin Road. Engel says Malone had his gun in his left hand and a baton in his right. He says the deputy accidentally shot Poulin as he tried to get him out of the car.
He did not comply with orders to leave the vehicle, and the deputy had to try to remove him from the vehicle, did so by smashing the window of the car with his baton. When he did smash the window of a car, the officer's weapon discharged, striking the driver, causing his death.
Engel says Poulin did have warrants out for his arrest, but the deputy was not aware of that during the chase. He says the suspect did not have a weapon in his car. Engel says he hopes to reach an agreement with the state, but if they don't, they are prepared to go to trial, and Malone is anxious to prove he is not guilty.
Obviously, he's upset that someone was injured during the course of his duty. I think every officer wants people to come home safely. Even the people who lead them on chases and put them at risk, their goal is not to hurt anybody. Their goal is to get everyone home safely.
Engel says he will be looking into other cases at departments across the country where the type of weapon Malone had discharged accidentally. Now the judge set Malone to house arrest and his trial is set for August 7th. In Hillsborough, Marilla Porter, Local 12 News.
Malone's attorney says he's been a member of the Highland County Sheriff's Office since 1998. Malone remains on administrative leave at this time. Reckless homicide is a third-degree felony with a maximum sentence of 3 years in prison.